love
gosh.
that idea.
I would start crying just so I would get
No, let's
so
do
nervous.
it. No.
I love you.
Who would win this staring contest?
You would. I would just start crying.
I don't know. I cry very easily as well.
Oh my gosh, that's an interesting question.
Let's just start staring. Okay, go ahead.
So I'm gonna start with that one question that you posed to yourself. What makes you tick? What makes Tim Burton laugh? What makes you cry? What makes Tim Burton do the things he does?
Well, usually on the set when you're making a film, you laugh at a lot of things, and usually the most absurd things, like, I don't know. I always love moments when I get to squirt Johnny with like fake vomit or blood or what. Those are the moments that always. I feel like my culmination of everything that I've been working for is for that moment.
To throw stuff at Johnny Depp.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
So what is this love affair with Johnny Depp? Is there like a connection that we don't know about? Is there like you're the same sign? Why is he your muse?
Gee, I don't know about that. I never asked him that. That should have been one of my first questions when you asked an actor, what sign are you? But it sounds like a cheesy line that you might say to somebody in a bar,
You're
so
trying
I
to
don't
pick him
really,
up.
I don't use that with actors. What sign are you? They would get the wrong impression of me. Yeah. Well, I just think, from the beginning, I like working with him. He's like a character actor, so each time feels different. So, it's not something to really think about so much. It's just more a case of he's like a good character actor.
Did you decide that you wanted to infuse it with a little more comedy than originally it was?
Well, I never really thought so much about that because obviously the show was a very serious show. But if you talk to those of us that were fans, you talk about it very affectionately. So there's a lot of humor when we talk about it just because we loved it so much. So it wasn't something like I thought, oh, we're going to make this like a comedy or we're going to keep it. I tried to keep the same melodramatic soap opera quality in the acting, which was like the show, but let the moments of humor where it felt natural to what was going on. So, just let that happen more naturally.